Hey guys, it's Beth. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm sharing my progress for the Smash That Small Paper Pad collab that I'm participating in, that is hosted by Deb Houck's Crafty Cottage. And so just a refresher, this is where we take a pad, any pad smaller than 12 by 12, and we work on using it up, not over any specific time, but we just work on that one until we get it done. So the one that I have been working on is Splendor by My Mind's Eye. Very pretty pad, love all the florals, and I was hoping to get it finished this month, but I didn't, but I'm probably about halfway there. There were originally 24 sheets, and I'm probably about halfway through. So what have I made with it? You've seen most of them. These were the cards that I made for the sheet load of cards for May. This used up like a good chunk of the paper, but I made 12 of the sheet load cards from Call Me Crafty Owl. And then the only other thing I really made is I did a fun fold card. I used this really pretty floral paper for my inside, and then on both of them, and I liked it because it had some lines, so I figured that would be good for writing a message, and then this added a nice touch to the card. And then just picked two colors that kind of corresponded with the colors in the flowers for my other two panels. And then my coffee cup embellishment here is from Christian over at Christian's Crafty Adventures. She made me some embellishments and sent them around Christmas time, so those coordinated with this pad because I think she also gave me this pad. So I just decided to go ahead and use that as my embellishment for the card. And so I did another one that's very similar. This one has two blues, and then I also used a different coffee cup there. So far I have about 14 cards out of this pad. And then I have all these scraps left that I can work through, as well as, the rest of the other half of the pad. So hopefully I can get that finished by the end of June and maybe be working on the next one for the next update that we have. But that is what I have gotten done so far on my small paper pad. So there is a bunch of fun crafty ladies that are participating in this collaboration along with me, and they will all be linked in the description box below, so please be sure to go and check them out. And this is a short video today just because I didn't have a whole lot to share, but I do thank you guys so much for your time today, and I hope you're all having a crafty day.